Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I thought I'd share with you guys the latest update to the Windows Phone Companion application and how you can use it to access your phone's apps right from within Windows. Currently, this only supports Samsung phones going back a few years, but will definitely be rolling out to other brands in the future. So bear in mind, depending on the age of your device, functionality may vary. But before we jump right into it, make sure to like and subscribe to get more Android tips, tricks, and customization videos. So, for this tutorial, as well as a Samsung phone, you're also going to need to grab yourselves the Your Phone application for Windows. In most cases, you're already going to have this pre-installed on your PC from an update. But either way, make sure you head to the Windows Store and grab the latest version. Now simply load it up, select Android, and follow through the setup process. And as a quick note, for this to work properly, make sure both your computer and phone are connected to the same network. Now when you get to this QR screen, make sure to enable Link to Windows within your phone's quick settings. And then scan the QR code to pair the two together. Now all that's left to do is to allow both the phone app and the Windows application the permissions that they need in order to display your phone's notifications, reply to messages, view and transfer images, access phone applications, and make and receive phone calls. Just simply follow the prompts that you'll see on each of these sections to finish the setup process. And to make sure your phone calls and notifications work over data networks, make sure you enable the use of mobile networks here. Now that the basic setup is out the way, let's have a look at some of the features. You can now both make and receive calls all directly on your PC. Whenever you receive a call, a notification will appear on both your displays. And regardless of where you answer your call, you can freely switch between the two on the fly. And the same works for when you want to make a call. You can either use your phone or even the Windows app itself to select a contact or even manually enter a number. Personally, this is a feature that I use daily. Next up, the biggest update to the Windows application, using your native Android apps right within Windows. For this, just simply head into the app section and select the app that you want to use, whether that be a game, social media, or anything else. You can now use your keyboard and mouse to interact with your phone screen without even picking up the phone itself. But bear in mind, this is a brand new feature, so there's still quite a bit of improvement needed, especially when it comes down to smoothness. So for the best experience, make sure you're connected to a fast network. And as a final note, you can also pin your favorite mobile apps right to Windows Start Panel or even the taskbar itself. For this feature alone, it's definitely worth checking out. But realistically speaking, in its current form, I wouldn't really use it for anything other than quick access to social media and maybe a few other lightweight apps. And of course, just like the previous versions, you can still receive and reply to your phone's notifications as they pop up on your computer screens. Now, when it comes to file transferring between phone and PC, this is another area which has been drastically improved. You can now transfer any file in either direction, whereas in the past it was limited to only photos and videos. Just simply activate the screencasting feature located at the top of the app section and then either drag in a file to transfer to your phone or select and long press on your phone screen and drag it to your desktop. And just like that, you'll see a progress bar pop up to let you know how it's going. This is definitely a major step in the right direction for integrating Android within the Windows ecosystem. And personally, I can't wait to see how this develops. And don't forget, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, Android tips, tricks, and home screen setups, make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.